Mweri wa 10 mwaka muhituku niguo kamite ya mibango NMC kiama-ini kia Jubilee matunganire na magikinyaniria itua ria kuhamurithia munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ndagitari William Ruto ta munini wa muico wa kiama giki. Mieri 5 thutha ndeto ino nirurumukite ringi, Mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Raphael Tuju nuria waranirie na Kameme Tv na njira ya thimu akiuga mubango uyu urioho no ihinda tu mbere ya Ruto aikitio nja.
And I had a conversation with the Deputy President this morning to ask whether he has received a letter, and he has not received a letter. So I wanted to treat it as Tuju's imagination.
First of all, it is illegal for NMC to meet and recommend the removal of the deputy party leader.
Kurigana na ripoti cia kwihokeka muthenya wa ira kamitino ya NMC ni marari na mushemanio ona gutwika Tuju ndanahithuria kana ndeto ino ya kuhamurithia Ruto ni undu uraririirio. Na ona gutwika itua ria kumweheria kiama-ini nirireketie gukinyanirio, hatire kundu Ruto angithie kamite ithurano kiama-ini kia Jubilee NEC niritongoragio ni mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta matahurite muhuri itua riri. Ona kuri uguo arumiriria Ruto maugite ni mehariirie kung'ethanira na ndeto ino nguku makihinyiriria matire na hahoro yothe.
The decision to remove the deputy party leader is actually a cowardly decision. What Jubilee should do, if there are men enough, those who are controlling Jubilee, they should call party election.
Mubuge wa Soi Caleb Kositani na murunawe wa Gatode ya Muhuro Moses Kuria maugite gataruka Jubilee ni gatofereire tene na uguo hatire nodo wa kumainainia.
We can discuss about legalities and technicalities, but Jubilee is dead. Jubilee is dead as dodo. Jubilee is past tense. Jubilee is where we have come from.
Jubilee is technically a finished, a dead party. It will shrink the way KANU shrank, because the only time Jubilee is active, the only time it is active is when they are seeking the expulsion or the suspension of somebody from the political party.
Maya mokete orere president agite na mushemanio kuhitukira nenda cia kiriu na tongoria cia mamugwanja cia kiuteti kuri oriria tongoria ya metekere guthingatithia thayo na muno hinde ithurano nini irifatie gutafanio guku bururi-ini.
Anane
Girifotera Kameme TV retora kwa neno ngari wa Kamau.